hopefully the cafe's open. I don't know what they're selling in there, but I'm sure you can find something to eat, can't you?
Oh, there's a train.
Yeah. So you definitely want the Asda Cafe?
Yeah. I would say that's a London one.
I think you're probably right, actually. It's like London Bridge,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Well, it looks...
Oh no, London Victoria it says on there.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, London
Oh, well,
Victoria.
got it right.
Yeah, because it's 12 carriages, isn't it?
Yeah.
I quite like going up on the train.
Yeah.
To do that, won't we? I've done it for ages. Do that with your foldable chair now.
I used to like going to work on the train.